Unboxing! Chisolite. It's color pink. The world's #1 portable fan brand. Wow, so cute. Oh. So, let's try it. Look. Okay. This is the on and off. On. What? You can choose. Gaano ka lakas? 100. Let's number 2. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda nito. Off natin. Off. Here you can adjust the speed level. On and off, speed level. This is the toggle switch. Pag nakataas yan, it means nakalock siya para pag accidentally na, halimbawa sa loob ng bag mo, pag accidentally na ma-press yung on, hindi siya mag-on. Wow.
Hinahanap ko yung shampoo. Shampoo na nakalagay.
Oh! Meron pa siyang dito pala yung charger. Dito ikakabit yung strap. What else? Accessories niya. Accessories. Yun. There's more. The bag. Oh, my bag. Cover. Chisolite. So, ganito siya. This is the manual. So, the accessories are ayan, ayan, the bag, at saka ito. Take that off first. Then, ito ilalagay. Until 100, ano siya eh. Pwede ka mag-choose ng ano niya, level. See? Kung sino man po ang may gusto, ilalagay ko yung link dyan sa comment section. Salamat!